Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, last class we have been discussing about chapter 8 factors and multiples in that exercise 8e. So, last day's sixth question, write down the prime numbers between. In that B, 80 to 100, 83, 89 and 91 will not come there. Okay, 91 is a composite number. 91 is divisible by 7. Okay, so please cut that. The answer is 83, 89 and 97. Okay, now let's discuss homework answers. Find the prime factors of the following numbers. So, first number 63. On doing prime factorization, you will get the answers 3 and 7. Okay, these are the prime factors of 63. Then 91, the prime factors are 7 and 13. Okay, 77, the prime factors are 7 and 11. 54, the prime factors are 2 and 3. Okay, 143, the prime factors are 11 and 13. Okay. Our next topic is greatest common factor or highest common factor. Okay. So the greatest common factor, we can write it, in short form we can write it GCF, or the highest common factor. Okay, both are same. Highest common factor, in short form we can write HCF. Of two or more whole numbers is the greatest whole number that is a factor of both the numbers. Okay, so you will be given two or more numbers. You need to find first the common factors of that numbers. Okay, then among that common factor, which one is the greatest or which one is the highest. Okay, that is known as the greatest common factor or highest common factor of that numbers. Okay, so it is the greatest whole number that is a factor of both the numbers. Okay, you will know about this while doing problems. So let's do exercise 8b, first question. Find the HCF of 27 and 36. Okay, so our first method is listing method. Okay, so in listing method, we will list the factors of the numbers given. Okay, here 27 and 36. HCF of 27 and 36 you need to find here. So list the factors of 27 and 36. So first we can take 27. We know 1 into 27 equal to 27. Then 3 into 9 equal to 27. Okay, this much only. So what are the factors of 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay, so you can write here 1, 3, 9, 27. So next it is 36. So factors of 36, 1 into 36 equal to 36. 2 into 18 equal to 36. Then 3 into 12 equal to 36. Then 4 into 9 equal to 36. Okay, this much only we can write. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. Okay, now next step is finding the common factors of 27 and 36. Common factors mean factors that are both numbers that are factors of both 27 and 36. Okay, that will come in 27 also and 36 also. Okay, so we can round that. So 1, that is coming in both 27 and 36. Next 3 is coming in both 27 and 36. Next 9. Okay, so this much only. So the common factors of 27 and 36 are 1, 3 and 9. Okay, next you can find the HCF, that is highest common factor. HCF is the greatest factor of 27 and 36. So among the common factors 1, 3 and 9, 9 is the greatest number. So HCF of 27 and 36, it is 9. Okay, so highest common factor is the greatest whole number, that is a factor of the given numbers. Okay, so here we list out the factors of 27 and 36 first, then we find the common factors of both 27 and 36, that is the factors that are coming in both 27 and 36 we are writing. Then among these common factors, which one is the greatest number, that will be the HCF of 27 and 36. So here HCF is 9, and this method is called listing method. First we list down the factors, that's why it is called a listing method. Okay, next third question, find the common factors of 20, 35 and 40. Find the HCF of 20, 35 and 40. So first you need to find the common factors, then from that you need to find the HCF. Okay, so here in order to find the common factors of 20, 35 and 40, we can first write the factors of 20, 35 and 40. Okay, so factors of 20, we know that 1 into 20 equal to 20, then 2 into 10 equal to 20, 4 into 5 equal to 20, then this much only. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Next 35 we can take. 1 into 35 equal to 35, then 5 into 7 equal to 35. Okay, so the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 35. Okay, 1, 5, 7, 35. So 1 into 40 equal to 40, 2 into 20 equal to 40, 4 into 10 equal to 40 and 5 into 8 equal to 40. So the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, then 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, then 40. Next step is finding the common factors of 20, 35 and 40. That is, find the numbers which come in these three numbers, okay, as factors. So we can find 1 is coming as factor of these three numbers, then 5 also. Okay, so the common factors of 20, 35 and 40 are 1, 5. Okay, now you can find the HCF. HCF means highest among the common factor. So among 1 and 5, 5 is the greater number, So HCF of 20, 35 and 40, it will be 5. Okay. Fifth question, find the common factors of 18, 28, 46 and 58. Find the HCF of 18, 28, 46 and 58. Okay, so in order to find the common factors, we need to list the factors of 18, 28, 46 and 58. Okay, so 18. What are the factors of 18? We know that 1 into 18 equal to 18. Then 2 into 9 equal to 18. Then 3 into 6 equal to 18. Okay, this much only. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9, 18. Then 28. So 28, we know 1 into 28 it is 28. Then 2 into 14 it is 28. Then 4 into 7 it is 28. Okay, so this much only. So the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Okay, so here 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Okay, next 46. So 46, 1 into 46 it is 46. Then 2 into 23 it is 46. This much only. So the factors of 46 are 1, 2, 23 and 46. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2, 23, 46. Then 58. So 1 into 58 it is 58. Then 2 into 29 it is 58. Okay, so the factors of 58 are 1, 2, 29, 58. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2, 29, 58. Now you can find the common factors of 18, 28, 46 and 58. So 1 is coming in all, so you can round that. Then 2 is also coming, so you can round that also. This much only. Okay, so common factors are 1 and 2. Now HCF you can find. HCF, it is the greatest or highest common factor. So among common factors 1 and 2, 2 is the highest. So HCF will be 2 here. Okay. Do the second question and fourth question as homework. This much for this class. Thank you.